Welcome to today's DIY project. Are you ready to give your refrigerator a fresh new look? In this video, we'll show you how to create a stunning refrigerator sticker from scratch. Grab your supplies and let's get started for this fun and easy transformation. We are going to make this sticker with the ice cream or popsicle sticks, and the measurements of the sticks are 8.3 centimeter. I mean the length of the stick is 8.3 centimeter. You can see I have given a slight slant at the end of the side sticks because I want to give it a shape of a hut. Actually, this refrigerator sticker is going to be in shape of a birdhouse, but remember this is not a real birdhouse, so we are going to create an illusion of it. The measurement of the sticks for the roof are 4.3 centimeters. The measurements for the ledge are 4.3 centimeter at the upper side and 4.5 centimeters at the lower side. Put a big dot of hot glue on the magnet and then stick it to the sticker. If you're new on my channel, I'm very happy to have you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. We are going to make the flower now, and the measurements of the flowers are 4 into 4 centimeters. This is a 5-petaled flower, and for cutting petals, firstly fold it in half vertically. Then again fold the already folded ribbon in the shape of alphabet A, and that A should be capital A. Fold the already folded ribbon again and put the edge of the new fold on the edge of already folded ribbon. Then fold the other half that was left in opposite direction and start cutting it. This way you are going to have 5 petals in one cut, and now deepen those cuts to give the petals more prominent shape. Firstly, burn the edges of the petals and skewer those edges, and then to give petals their proper shape, turn the flower upside down. The wrong side should be out and the shiny side should be in, and then give those petals a round look by burning them. So when you are done with burning the petals and you are going to turn the flower to the shiny side, you will see the petals would have an inward curve. Now we are going to sew the flower, and to sew the flower, first of all start sewing it from the cut you have given to the petals, and you are going to sew it in the circle. I'm using just one stamen on a stem to make the center of this flower, and when that center is made, then I am going to pull the thread to give it a crimp, and you can see it has taken the shape of a flower. Now sew the flower to the stem with just a few stitches. Here I am using a stencil for making the leaves, and the measurements of the stencil is 2.5 into 2.2 centimeters. Actually this is a real leaf and I've seen it on a tree. If you look at it closely, you'll see it has a resemblance with a butterfly. I liked the shape and then I plucked it up, brought it home, and then I made a stencil. This is not a difficult shape to cut, I mean the shape of the leaf, but usually I use stencils or make stencils. It's just an easy way out for me. Otherwise it's not difficult to cut it without any stencil. I had put a thin line of hot glue in the center of the leaf and then had put the wire on that glue and then had folded the leaf, pressed it down with my finger, and your leaf is ready. We are going to decorate that sticker now, and for that I have used styrofoam, a small piece of it, put it on the ledge of the sticker or the ledge of the birdhouse. Then had started arranging the flowers, but before arranging the flowers I had used artificial grass, put it on the styrofoam because I didn't want the styrofoam to peep out of it. To give a little more beauty to our sticker, I am using here handmade bird nest with eggs, and I'm also using birds. Let me recover from this cancer and I am going to bring more projects, bird sculpture projects and other things that you can sculpt here. So stay tuned for that. And your sticker is ready and I hope you have liked this project. Tell me in the comment section how you like it, and I wish you all a very wonderful and happy day. See you next time with a new project. Bye.